Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to use keyframes on video in CapCut PC. So for example, I'm going to add this video to the clip and then I'm going to add the keyframes, how to just click this basic on video and then this keyframe icon, just click add on position and size, click, and you can move the position like this. You can resize like this, just for the position. Sorry. Okay, and then do as before, and just for the position and size. Until the finish. Okay, just click play button for the result like this. Okay, just simple. That's how to use keyframes on video in CapCut. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And you can click thanks button for appreciation. And sure, thanks. Bye bye.